This is a 2010 Nissan Altima. This car has a continuously variable transmission and an inline 4-cylinder engine. All of the following features are included: keyless ignition, a low tire pressure indicator, a multi-link rear suspension, traction control and stability control systems, a passenger side vanity mirror, 12-volt power outlets, a passenger side airbag, latch-ready child seat anchors, air conditioning, and this vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.
Thank you for considering Carl Hogan Toyota for your next new or pre-owned vehicle. If you have any questions, visit our website, give us a call, or stop by our dealership. We are conveniently located at 3907 Highway 45 North, across from the H&H in Columbus. We look forward to serving you.